Well, the one thing you have to look at is this. Everybody talks about compliance programs. The issue is it a viable compliance program that the Department of Justice and/or DOD, Office Inspector General, will honor? So there are guidelines and factors that must be in every compliance program. And what we see, unfortunately, is a lot of pharmacies, manufacturers that get these compliance programs either off the internet or some other pharmacy had it and they just copy it. The problem is it is required that the compliance programs be independent to the actual pharmacy, tailored to the pharmacy. When you buy them off the shelf, buy them off the internet or copy, it's not going to be that. So when we're defending cases and we have a viable compliance program, I can go to the government and say, Board of Pharmacy, whomever it is, here's the compliance program. If something went wrong, it's not the compliance program's fault, it's not the pharmacy's fault. We have to adjust. But it's a viable defense and it's a permissible defense under the United States sentencing guidelines. So pharmacies need to take it seriously and they need to make sure their compliance program is adequately prepared, but most importantly, that it's audited as well. You can have a piece of paper telling you what you're supposed to do, but if nobody's checking it, there's no checks and balances, it doesn't mean anything. So when we implement a compliance program, we not only implement it tailored, but we also have audits set up and a compliance officer doing those audits. Same with HIPAA. With HIPAA right now, these pharmacies better have a HIPAA compliance program and a separate privacy officer. If they don't have the separate privacy officer, they're not in compliance. And if they have a breach, they're going to be in difficult problems, because if they don't have the compliance program, you can't go to the Office of Civil Rights and say, we had it in place, it was just a mistake. Instead, they're going to look at it as being more reckless, and then there's going to be more fines and penalties, which can mount up to $1.5 million.